If you bought an Elegoo Centauri Carbon, you need to watch this video. You see, a bit back I did a review comparing this to my X1C, and in that video I mentioned I was not really taking into consideration the multicolor features as that part of the machine was not out yet. Well, it turns out that was with good reason, as it looks like the multicolor part of the printer is still delayed. But what you need to know is if you bought one of these machines hoping for that feature, they are offering some things in compensation. Now, we don't know how long the machine is delayed for, but we do know that Elegoo is going to offer compensation, whether it be in the form of a gift card or $80 off their next Centauri Carbon 2 or an extra extended warranty. Now, I know if you were looking for multicolor, that's not really helpful, but at least it's important that you should know that Elegoo is trying to make things right, and you are entitled to one of those options. That said, to claim one of those offers, you do need to do it before the end of January in 2026. Now, I've put the link to this announcement in full in the video description, and in that announcement, you'll actually find the link you need to use to get your gift card or extended warranty. So rather than pushing out a device they weren't happy with, it seems like it may be delayed for a bit more, but they are at least giving us an update that it is in the works. For me, I don't do a ton of multicolor printing, so it's not a big deal, but I know some people were excited for the multicolor aspect. And I felt like this update was needed for my initial video review. If you want to see more reviews, let me know in the comments, as I might actually consider reviewing the multicolor device upon release, or maybe see if there's a way I can review the Centauri Carbon 2. That said, this machine has still been working great for me, and if you're curious how it compares against a machine that's 4 times the price, I highly recommend checking out my full review. So, till next time.